Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Mindfulness is the act of purposefully focusing on the present moment, purposely focusing on what is happening right now. It can be harder than it sounds because our minds tend to wander wherever they want. In this mindful minute, we will be using our sense of touch to focus and practice mindfulness. Start with one of your hands. Gently and slowly rub your finger and thumb together and see what you notice. Do your fingers feel smooth, sticky, soft? Notice what you feel as you rub your fingers together. Now, use this hand to gently tickle or rub your opposite arm. Put all of your attention on how this feels. Does it feel nice, or does it make you itchy? Do you feel any tiny hairs, freckles, or bumps here? Now, gently pinch a part of your shirt. Rub the fabric between your fingers and notice how it feels. What words would you use to describe the fabric of your shirt? Are there any other words you might use to describe the fabric other than the word soft? Without opening your eyes, slide your hands to the bottom edge of your shirt and move your fingers around until you feel some stitching or a place where the fabric is sewn together. Gently rub this stitching with your fingers. Notice how it feels. How does it feel different than the other part of your shirt? Is there a part of this stitching that feels softer than others? Slide your fingers around until you find a soft part. Now move your hand and bring your touch to the space between your eyebrows. Give this space between your eyebrows a gentle circular massage and notice what you feel. Don't press too hard. Do you feel more relaxed? Does this feel nice, or does it make you itchy? Try changing how hard you are pressing. Mix it up from very soft and tickly to more firm, like a massage. Which pressure feels nicer to you? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.